Alright guys, this is me making legume lalo, some little how you call that in Creole again? Epicnant crazy not there's the tank. There's some tank here, some pima, some Maggi, and then I'm gonna just let it chill. Oh shit! That fucking splashed over me. Shit was hot.